In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make round logo with Canva. We'll build a clean, professional badge-style logo using simple shapes, text, and a few styling tweaks, all inside Canva's free editor. Start by opening a logo template in Canva. You can choose a blank logo canvas or pick a preset that matches your vibe. Either way, it gives you the right canvas size and an easy place to start. With the canvas open, head to the Elements tab. Search for Circle and add a basic circle shape to your design. This will form the outer body of your round logo. Resize the circle using the corner handles until it feels like a solid base. As you drag, look for Canva's pink alignment guides to snap the shape to the center. Now change the circle's color to your brand's primary hue using the color picker at the top. To give it definition, apply a stroke style. Canva calls this the border. Turn on the border, pick a contrasting color, and adjust the border weight until it reads clearly, like a proper badge. Reposition the circle if needed so it's perfectly centered. Next, add a second circle from Elements. Make this one smaller and place it dead center. Change its color to create contrast with the outer circle. This combination gives you that classic ring effect many round logos use. Let's bring the logo to life with an icon. In Elements, search for a symbol that fits your brand. For example, a coffee graphic for a cafe. Choose a clean, scalable graphic, not a photo. Place it in the middle and resize it so it sits comfortably inside the inner circle. Adjust the icon color to match or complement your palette. Now add your brand name. Go to Text and click. Add a heading, then type your logo text. Change the font and color to suit your style, and resize it so it's legible without overpowering the icon. With the text selected, click Effects and choose Curve. Use the curve slider to match the arc of your outer circle and move the text so it hugs the top edge neatly. Duplicate that curved text to create a second line. Adjust the curve value. You can flip the direction by dragging past 0, and place this copy along the bottom of the circle. Update the wording for a tagline or location. Fine-tune letter spacing if needed, and nudge both text lines so they align evenly around the border. That's your round logo, balanced, readable, and ready to represent your brand.